Hello viewer, in Photoshop we will use these designs and create the structure we will have there, and then here we will create the bird's shape in front of one we have. So let's create the other one. There we are using into it. So there we will generate the designs.